In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Outlook 365 and Outlook Web. If you've ever hit send too soon or noticed a mistake after the fact, this walkthrough will show you how to attempt a recall and what to expect along the way. Start by opening Outlook. If you're in a browser, sign into Outlook on the web. If you're using the Outlook app that comes with Microsoft 365, the process is very similar. We'll demonstrate in the web experience, and you can follow along in the desktop app with the same general flow. Head to your Sent Items folder. Recall only works on messages you've already sent, so this is where you'll find the email you want to pull back. Locate the message, then open it fully so you can access all of its options. On the web, double-clicking the message will pop it out into its own window, which makes the next steps clearer. Inside that message window, look for the More Actions button. It's the three dots in the toolbar. Click it to expand the full list of options, then choose Advanced Actions. From there, select Resend or Recall Message. This opens a panel where you can choose to recall the original or resend an updated version. If your goal is to remove the original from recipients' inboxes, pick the recall option and follow the prompts to confirm. A quick reality check: message recall isn't guaranteed. It works best when everyone is on Microsoft 365 or Exchange within the same organization. The recipient hasn't opened the email yet, and they're using Outlook for Windows. If the message was already read, forwarded, moved by a rule, or sent to external addresses, recall will likely fail. In those cases, consider sending a corrected follow-up to clarify the change. You may receive a status notification letting you know whether the recall succeeded. Timing matters here. The sooner you start the recall after sending, the better your chances. If you're using the desktop Outlook that comes with Microsoft 365, you'll find the recall option under Message Actions as well, with wording that closely matches what you see on the web. A few preventative tips for next time. Turn on a short undo send delay so you can immediately stop a message right after clicking send. You can also use a brief delivery delay on all outgoing mail, which creates a small buffer to catch mistakes. And if it's a sensitive message, consider double checking recipients and attachments before sending. That's it. Open the sent message, go to More Actions, Advanced Actions, then resend or recall message and confirm the recall. Thanks for watching and good luck.